क्या आपको भी ऐसा लगता है कि ये स्माइल डिजाइनिंग सिर्फ सेलिब्रिटीज के लिए होती है और मे बी सुपर पेनफुल, या इसको करवाने के लिए आपको अपनी किडनी बेचनी पड़ती है? वेल, इट्स यस. Don't worry, in this video I will answer all your questions, and stay till the end of the video to know the prices as well. So today I'm here to clear up things regarding this mysterious treatment, smile designing. Hi, I'm Dr. Priyanka Kumar from Excellent Dentist Clinic in Gurgaon. I hear a lot of people saying smile designing is a luxurious treatment only accessible to celebrities and the wealthy. As a matter of fact, smile designing is for everyone. Definitely you see a lot of celebrities with perfect smiles, but that doesn't mean it's only for them. This treatment has become much more accessible and affordable over the years. With advances in dental technology, almost anyone can get a stunning smile. Now, as a fact, when it comes to dentistry, we think that it will be painful, and you might think that the process itself requires a long recovery period. But with latest techniques and sedation options, this process is virtually pain-free. A lot of people avoid getting into this procedure because they think it will hurt. But the truth is that smile designing is almost painless. Also, the recovery time is usually pretty quick. For example, if we are giving veneers to achieve a desired smile, that within 24 hours the patient feels almost back to normal. Now, just because this procedure involves having a set of veneers on your teeth, so you might feel that your smile might look even unnatural. In fact, to tell you honestly, ये procedure अगर आप experienced professional से करवाते हो, तो ये procedure actually आपके teeth के natural appearance को enhance करता है. If you go to an experienced dentist, the one who works closely with you to design a smile that fits your face and looks real, the results are outstanding. High quality materials and advanced techniques are made to achieve this. In order to choose the right dentist, check their reviews before after picture, certification, credentials. आपने ये भी सुना होगा कि while doing a smile designing procedure, you would have to get all your 32 teeth touched or altered. But as a matter of fact, in smile designing, after assessing your bite, facial features, you may just need alteration in 1, 2 or 4 teeth. Famous example being Radhika Merchant. If you look closely at her smile, she just got veneers in 2 teeth, and this made a big difference to her smile. अब इतने qualities हैं तो costly तो होगा, right? So let me tell you that it's surely less than the iPhone you use or the EMI of car you usually pay. To give you a rough estimate, it usually starts from about 7,500 rupees, with the cost varying from person to person depending on the number of teeth required to involve with smile designing. So there you have it. Here are some most common misconceptions cleared about smile design. It's not just for celebrities, it's not painful, it doesn't look fake, it's not cosmetic, it's definitely not a one-size-fits-all solution, and it's surely cheaper than when you spend in an evening out with your friends. Emphasizing again, smile designing is for everyone, and it can improve both the look and your overall oral health. If you're thinking about improving your smile and the quality of life, don't let these misconceptions hold you back. If you have any questions, if there are any other mistaken beliefs you have heard about smile designing, you can always reach out to us. This is Dr. Priyanka from Excellent Dentist Gurgaon signing off.